Hello again, can't resist, can I? It's 9:46. There's that old chem under the sun. She should be able to see. There's a newer chem over this way. And over to, get my bearings there, where are we? We have a compass. The first one's over to the east, and now facing to the south, where that one is. Turn round to the west. There's knots on a rope chem up there. Dodgy chem above it coming off, isn't there? Now that one goes straight across. Another knots on the rope. The last one broke up pretty well into a cloud seeder, and there's another one up here as well. So yeah, we're well hit at the moment. You can see some in waves up there, the way the clouds have formed just above that knots on a rope. Bloody windy. So the diagonals. Got to use a little camera, the little Nikon Coolpix L340. The big Sony. There's dust inside the bugger, which has not done any bloody door, not done any favours for footage. But let's see. Right, seems like it's windy. I won't hang about with this. There's that lot over there. Take your pick what you want. That up there. No. Over this way, if we follow that one across, that weird straight line cloud. Dark one at the bottom. Very straight. Back around here to the back to the south. There's that one over there. That's the big bugger drifting overhead at the moment. It's actually lengthways. It's playback for Friday 14th at 10 o'clock. The plane that went over parallel in a cloud seeding chemtrail was Wizz Air of Hungary. Its flight was Whiskey 62224 or Whiskey Zulu Zulu 994. It was going from Glasgow to Budapest. It's an Airbus A321231 and its registration is Hotel Alpha hyphen Lima X-Ray Yankee. It was at 37,000 feet and its ICAO is 471 Foxtrot 7 Alpha. Very dirty.